Yes, my people, true Jamaican vibes firing. So today I am in Manchester, the highway. You see what there, so? Call it, we get a roast saltfish and yam. Yeah, man, so I walk under the bridge and go cross over there so I can keep on watching my people. Just remember to subscribe to the channel, no? True Jamaican vibes firing. Yo, man, I tell you, say the sun hot, you know, my people, the sun hot. Cheer the road in Jamaica. Sun is very, very hot today. Very, very hot. You know, Manchester is a cool climate. Touch on the highway. Don't know. Get some roast saltfish and a piece of yam, you know. So keep on tuning into the video. Show you what I go on, you know. Yeah, man, see it here. So this would be the other side going to Williamsfield roundabout. So I walk right under here so and go over to the yam place, you know. What I want to say? Jamaica nice, right? Yeah, man, Jamaica nice place to enjoy yourself. Natural beauty. Yeah, man, so I walk under the, what them call you see now? So I walk under the road, kind of a bit dark and things still, but you don't know. Want to get some roast yam and saltfish today. So you know, say that's how I do it. Big up on yourself, anyone who watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. If you learn something new about Manchester, also about Jamaica, remember to like up the video free of cost and also subscribe and share. Yeah, man, you see it? Go me and go cross, you know? Yeah, man, Jamaica always nice and beautiful. Beautiful place, man, beautiful place. Yeah, man, see the place, yeah? Roast, yeah, saltfish and yam. Beautiful island Jamaica, you know? So the thing set. Come and enjoy yourself to the fullest. One love and one heart, as usual. True Jamaican vibes. Yeah, man, the place nice and clean and pretty. Yeah, man, nice place. So you need to visit here so when you come to Jamaica. As we say, the yam place, when you can get to know saltfish, roast yam and saltfish. Yeah, but you know, say, you have to drink up on the water, you know? Drink up on a lot of water when you eat, you know, saltfish and yam. Yeah, man, so I get a warm soup from my stomach, you know. Very, very warm soup. Yeah, man, so I drink some chicken soup. Yeah, man, drink some soup before I get some saltfish and yam. Place to be on the highway. Yeah, man, see them people. Soup rich. Rich soup. Yeah, man, so I walk around on the back. Very cool and nice. See the place there. Bar and also you have a restroom in this area. Yeah, man, the place nice. Beautiful. So you can leave in the comments where you're watching from. Yeah, man, leave in the comments and maybe next time I can give it a shout out. Anyway, part of the yard and abroad. One love and one heart, you know. So don't be afraid to travel Jamaica. Don't be afraid. Lot of nice people in Jamaica same way. We all know we love the island, no matter what go on. Jamaica still nice, still beautiful. So then if you check out all the St. Elizabeth Parish. Yeah man, so you don't know, so we're in the Manchester. We talk about St. Elizabeth. You have a lot of rivers around there you can enjoy also. Wyeth Falls. You can check out Pelican in Black River. There's a bar, the bar is a bar in the sea. So if you check out St. Elizabeth, you want to visit St. Elizabeth. You know, a lot of attraction in St. Elizabeth.